Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best 63/37 solder is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in any electronics project, acting as the critical bridge that connects your components and ensures the flow of electricity. Whether you're a seasoned professional crafting intricate circuits or a hobbyist just starting out, understanding the nuances of this specific solder alloy is paramount to achieving reliable, long-lasting connections that stand the test of time and performance. Number 5. Kester Solder Wire 24-6337-0061. Introducing the Kester Solder Wire, Model 24-6337-0061. This high-quality solder is made in the United States, ensuring reliability for your soldering needs. It features a 6337 SNPB composition, designed for optimal performance. The melting point is 183 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. This product comes in a convenient 1-pound spool. You'll have plenty of material for your projects, reducing the need for frequent replacements. The packaging dimensions are approximately 2.4 by 2.3 by 2.3 inches. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle and store. Manufactured in the United States, you can trust the quality and consistency of this solder. It's a reliable choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. What we like. This solder offers a substantial 1-pound spool, ensuring you won't run out mid-project. Its US-made quality guarantees reliability and performance. If you're tackling large electronics projects or frequent soldering tasks, this is the ideal choice for consistent results and value. What people say. The solder has a good flow and wets out nicely, making for clean and strong joints. It melts at a relatively low temperature, which is great for working with delicate components without causing damage. The flux core is effective and leaves minimal residue, which is easy to clean up. Number 4. MAIYUM 63-37 Tin Lead Rosin Core Solder Wire. Introducing the MAIYUM 63-37 Tin Lead Rosin Core Solder Wire. This electrical soldering wire is designed for precision and ease of use. It features a rosin core with 1.8% flux content, ensuring a clean and efficient soldering process every time. With a diameter of 0.8 mm and a convenient 50 g weight, it's perfectly sized to fit in your pocket for on-the-go repairs. Experience a low melting point of 361 degrees Fahrenheit 183 degrees Celsius, allowing for smooth flow and fast, strong soldering points. This solder wire is ideal for a wide range of applications, including circuit boards, DIY projects, and repairing various electronic devices. Achieve excellent soldering capability for all your electrical repair and home improvement needs. What we like. This option comes in a convenient 50 g spool with a fine 0.8 mm diameter, perfect for detailed work. Its low melting point ensures smooth flow and strong joints. If you're a hobbyist working on intricate circuit boards or small electronic devices, this compact spool is easy to handle and provides excellent precision. What people say. This solder has a good melting point and flows very well, making it easy to create clean and strong joints. The 6337 tin lead composition ensures excellent solderability and a shiny, professional-looking finish on connections. It's ideal for electronics work where precise soldering is required, providing reliable conductivity. Number 3. Kester 24-6337-8800 Activated Rosin Cord Wire Solder. Introducing the Kester 24-6337-8800, a premium activated rosin cord wire solder. Experience exceptional performance for all your electronic soldering needs. This solder features a 245 no-clean flux, ensuring a clean and professional finish every time. Say goodbye to messy residue and hello to precision. Crafted with a 6337 alloy, it provides the ideal balance for strong, reliable solder joints. Achieve consistent and durable connections with ease. The fine 0.031-inch diameter allows for precise application, perfect for intricate electronic work. Get the accuracy you need for delicate tasks. Packaged in a compact roll, its dimensions are approximately 6.22 by 6.73 by 6.22 centimeters. This makes it easy to store and handle during your projects. Proudly manufactured in the United States, you can trust in the quality and reliability of this electronic component. It's built to last. What we like. Featuring a no-clean flux and an activated rosin core, this solder provides excellent wetting and leaves minimal residue. The 0.031 diameter is versatile for many electronic applications. If you prefer a cleaner workspace and efficient soldering without the need for post-solder cleaning, this is a great option for general electronics repair and assembly. What people say. This solder has a good melting point and flows very well, making soldering easier and cleaner. The 6337 tin lead composition ensures a strong and reliable joint, perfect for electronics. It heats up quickly and wets surfaces effectively, resulting in shiny, smooth solder joints. Number 2. Kester 44 Rosin Core Solder. Introducing the Kester 44 Rosin Core Solder, an industry standard for decades. Experience its excellent solderability on a wide variety of surfaces. Its high-activity flux formulation ensures bright and shiny solder joints after reflow. This product is designed for reliable performance. Trusted in the industry for many years, this solder offers consistent and dependable results. It's the go-to choice for professionals. Achieve superior solderability with this high-quality product. It adheres exceptionally well to various metallizations, making your work easier. Featuring a standard core with 3.3% flux, it provides the right balance for effective soldering. Get the job done right with this reliable solder. What we like. This solder is an industry standard, known for its excellent solderability and high-activity flux. It consistently leaves bright, shiny solder joints, indicating a good connection. If you value proven performance and aesthetically pleasing results, especially for general electronics work where visual inspection of joints is important, this 1-pound spool is a reliable choice. What people say. This solder has excellent wicking action, making it easy to create clean and strong joints. The 6337 composition provides a low melting point, which is ideal for delicate electronic components. It flows very smoothly and leaves minimal residue, resulting in professional-looking solder joints. Number 1. Kester 44 Solder Wire 6337 0.031 RMA Rosin. Introducing the Kester 44 Solder Wire, a high-quality choice for your soldering needs. This 6337 tin lead alloy is perfect for general electronics work. With a 0.031-inch diameter, it's ideal for most electronics applications. This wire offers excellent performance and reliability. It features an RMA rosin core, providing high activity for a clean and efficient solder joint. This formulation ensures a strong and lasting connection. Each 1-ounce tube contains approximately 24 feet of solder, offering great value. It's conveniently packaged for easy dispensing. This product is specially packed by Techline Supply, ensuring you receive it in optimal condition. Trust in the quality and care put into its packaging. This solder is a top choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. Its consistent performance makes it a go-to for all your soldering projects. What we like. This solder is conveniently packed in a 1-ounce dispense tube, offering about 24 feet of wire, perfect for smaller jobs or portability. The RMA rosin formulation and a fine .020 diameter make it excellent for fine-pitch electronics. If you're a professional or hobbyist working on delicate components or need a manageable amount for quick repairs, this dispense pack is ideal. What people say. The solder has a good flow and wets the surfaces well, making for clean and strong joints. It melts at a relatively low temperature, which is great for working with delicate components without causing damage. The solder leaves minimal residue, which reduces the need for extensive cleaning after soldering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.